Hi guys, in this video what we are going to see is very clear, that is going to, how to use going to. In US people there is gonna. See, I'm gonna speak. Those people, they don't use to. Understand, as per grammar we have to use I'm going to speak, which means going to is used, it is used to explain the plan which is going to happen very closely. Understand, for an example, your friend and you are standing on a main road, the bus is coming very close to your friend. What you say, hey, come this side, you are going to, bus is going to hit you. So bus is a singular. For singular, understand one thing clearly, for the singular we have to use is the auxiliary verb. Auxiliary in the sense, what you know very well, that is a helping verb, is for singular. What are the singular? He, she, it, this, that. He, she, it, this, that. Even name, these are called singular. See, for these we have to use is. Is it clear? You just keep in mind one thing clearly, is an auxiliary verb. Understand, for singular you have to use. For plural, what are the plural? For I we have to use am. Am is the helping verb for the present tense verb. Similarly, for we, you, they. See, these are the plural. For these we have to use, and then these and those. Here we can use that. Clear? See, for these we have to use or. Clear? Very easy. Guys, you just keep in mind when to use going to. In US people they are using gonna. See, when is used to going to? If the action is very close, you can blindly take going to. Going to is the easiest way to express. Okay, for an example, as I said at the earlier, bus is going to hit you. See, after to, verb always should be in plain form, that is a present form. It shouldn't be in ing form. It is a grammar rule. So understand, guys. Okay, now I'll come to this. See, bus is going to hit you. Be careful. Come this side. Similarly, it's going to rain. It is going to rain. It's going to rain. Just keep the things safely, which means you alarm to other. Likewise, we take we are going to. We are. See, don't press or. That is a native speaker, they use or. We are going to sell the house. We are going to sell the house. Okay, understand that clearly. We are going to sell the house. You are going to lose. You are going to lose. Clear? Likewise, we can create a lot of sentences. So going to is a very easiest way to express the plan or the things is going to happen very closely. Understand one thing, this is not confirmed one. It may happen, it may not happen, even though people are using this. Why? Because that is a wish, extreme level of wish. See, for an example, at your home, your mother may say, I'm going to prepare chapati for dinner. Don't say I am. I'm going to prepare chapati for dinner. I'm going to prepare chapati for dinner. Dinner, from the dinner we can take our own verb, dine. Dine is a verb. See, I'm going to dine. See, for an example, I am going to sleep. He is going to lose. They are going to. See, very simple. We can get it in a negative way. Say I am. Don't say I am not. I am not is the right way. Even though you just take I am. I am going to. I am going to open today. I am going to see why I took a capital letter for today is a proper noun. Every proper noun should be started with the capital letter. Keep in mind, what are the nouns to be taken capital letter? Proper noun, after the completion of this, after the full stop, we have to start the sentence with capital letter, as well as God should be always in capital letter. Understand that very clearly. See, going to, I am going to is take. Likewise, you aren't going to. See, instead of or not, you just take aren't. You aren't going to. You aren't going to change anything. You aren't going to change anything, which means you predict something. They aren't. They aren't going to. They are going to give you. They aren't going to give you. Very clear. See, very easy. And bestow, there is a verb equal to give. It's generous people. They give something to others. It's called bestow. That is what is Edison bestowed many invention to the people. Bestow. Understand? Okay, very clear. I'll go to another. See, she isn't going to. She isn't going to cook today. Understand? She isn't going to cook today, which means there is no plan of her. The cooking is not a plan of her today. Cooking is not a plan of her today. Okay.